Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve speaking skill again using a short story. Well, this story applies the use of present perfect tense and future tense. Well, the pattern of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle. I have work. You have work. He has work. She has work. It has work. We have work. They have work. Well, there are two kinds of past participle. They are regular verb and irregular verb. Well, the pattern of future tense, we can use will for all subject. I will work. You will work. He will work. She will work. It will work. They will work. We will work. And we use verb 1 or the infinitive after will. Okay, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story as usual. Then you should also try to memorize the story and retell it. Okay, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. An exciting trip. I have just received a letter from my brother Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. Tim is an engineer. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has just bought an Australian car and has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly to Perth. My brother has never been abroad before, so he is finding this trip very exciting. Well, please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, and I'm going to ask you some question about it. An exciting trip. I have just received a letter from my brother Tim. Tim is an engineer. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has just bought an Australian car and has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly to Perth. My brother has never been abroad before, so he is finding this trip very exciting. Now, please answer my question about Tim. Question number 1. Is Tim a teacher? Question number 2. What is Tim's job? Question number 3. Is Tim in the United Kingdom? Where is Tim? Is he in Australia? How long has he been there? Has he already visited a great number of different places in Australia? What kind of car has he just bought? Will he soon visit Darwin? Where will he go after visiting Darwin? How is he finding this trip? Has them ever been abroad before? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.